Hello, hi. Welcome to another lockdown vlog. I'm gonna be honest, I considered not really vlogging today because I've been in a bit of a weird mood these past few days. I think it started to hit me, like the realities of everything, and who knows when anything's gonna change and when anything's gonna get better, and it's just like in my brain. But then I was like, well, if I vlog, then I'll probably be more excited about the day and just like put more effort into having a positive mindset. So you guys are basically therapy for me right now. Today is Saturday, and as you can tell from my face, it is so hot. It's like 21 degrees, which in the UK is like the peak of summer, and it's early May, so this is kind of crazy. As usual, I apologize for my appearance. Again, my foundation does not match my complexion anymore because of my tan. First world problems. Hopefully this makes some people smile. Follow along. Outfit of the day, if anyone cares, is my mum's Ray-Ban sunglasses. There's crop top from Miss Selfridge, which I got about 5 years ago. Hollister umbrella, ASOS shorts, Alice's belt. Yes, also check out the varying degrees of tan on my body. We have my stomach, and then we have my legs, and then we have my knees. Anyone else get white knees? Saturday is the day that we actually really run low on food because we do our weekly shop every Sunday in the morning. So I'm making the best of it. We have the last of the bread, some hummus, hearts of a pepper, and the dregs of lettuce. No! Fine. Do you slice your sandwiches diagonal or down the centre? And if you do it down the centre, how does it feel to be wrong? A pretty good lunch if I do say so myself. Also, I got this skinny latte and I've been saving it for when it was like really hot because I miss Starbucks. I'm gonna put it in like a nice jar with some ice. I think I'll put some chocolate sauce around the side because I'm a child and I can't take straight coffee. Okay. Taste test time. I am getting you again. So I'm gonna go eat and drink that outside and then read my book that I'm currently, whoa, I almost hit myself in the face, which is the Ed Catmull Creativity Inc. It's all about the foundations of Pixar and their like approaches to management. It's more management heavy than I thought, but it's still cool to see like behind the scenes stories about some of the best films. Got a water bottle, we're all set. Ready for the hike. See you when I was probably a mess. I feel like I'm gonna be a mess too after today because it's my I'm singular. Almost 2 hours later, we're back. Alice, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Like I should. Gonna watch some Smash because yeah. Oh my gosh. Mum and Dad went to the market. Strawberries. This is some strangely shaped. It looks like the peach / butt emoji. Not mad. Also, fun fact, my brother dropped these books round this morning. So he's been reading them. These are my original copies. And this one is signed by the Phelps twins who played Fred and George because they came to our school because we won some kind of like spelling competition. I don't know, but it was the height of my life. Kyle's dead. Oh, that was not the moment I wanted to show. Kyle's dead. Let me be your star. Just to make this vlog nice and realistic and it's not like, woo, life's woo, everything's so sunshine and happiness. I'm literally now sitting and watching TikToks, Wonders in Wonderland, while eating rice cake. Probably gonna spend half an hour doing that. But I feel like there's such a pressure right now to like have a perfect lockdown day and be like, oh yeah, I got up and made a smoothie and then I did a Chloe Ting's workout and then I had like a protein bowl for lunch, then I went on like a 10-kilometer walk and then I crafted. People are doing these like incredible routines online. I'm like, cool, that's good for you, but I'm gonna have my rice cake and watch TikTok. Oh, hello. Why is it on Kardashian videos? I mean, I'm not mad. But yeah, just take it chill. Do what makes you feel happy and fulfilled and just cut yourself some slack. You're doing your best. What you doing? Oh, you're vlogging. Just making a TikTok. It takes a lot of effort to get this right. What do you think?
That was so cute.
Live reaction to my TikTok.
On the first like.
We like our own TikToks.
Of course we do.
You've got to show self-love.
Yeah.
Not on Instagram though.
I know, that would be a bit awkward. No.
Although, no one would see. Like, unless they clicked,
No.
and then they went to see, if you really wanted to get to that next number, like the next 100, say.
Maybe we should just like start liking our own Instagram.
We should start a trend.
Why
liking our own. Like, well, I liked it enough.
You put effort into editing that photo. Why shouldn't you give it a like?
Something very exciting is now happening. We are going to our local favourite like gourmet pubs called the Blue Strawberry, and they've just opened back up for takeaway. So me and my sister have treated our parents to dinner. We're gonna go pick it up now. I'm gonna go with mum, and then Alice is gonna get the whole table ready. We've got it outside in the garden. I'm really excited for some good food that we haven't cooked ourselves, and also to treat my parents because obviously we've been here for 2 months now and this is not normal, so it's nice to give back. The dinner was a big success. The food was top notch, and we topped it off with desserts from Mum. Remembered that we'd got these Cheesecake Factory slices like ages ago, and they were in the freezer in the garage. I don't know if is that a thing in the US as well. A lot of British people have like a fridge in the garage, like a fridge, like a backup. So we got them out, and again, chef's kiss. Had the caramel one. It was a fun time. Alice, how was yours?
Haven't had it yet. I like to space out my dinner and desserts. I've got it ready.
It was a good time, support a local business, and wow, I definitely got like sunglasses.
You look really pretty.
But I want pandas. After this, we're gonna get our pajamas on, and then background music. Alice put like background restaurant music on, so you can hear like
to create the atmosphere, you know.
We started the Marvel movies in my last lockdown vlog, and we're loving them. And we're on to Captain America tonight, so hopefully it's good. So we've had Iron Man 2, cool. Thor. I very much enjoyed Hemsworth. We didn't see Hulk, we're on Disney Plus, but
I was told that that one's not really necessary anyway.
Time for Captain America, and then I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I've got a bit burnt. What is this? There's like, I'm so white here. Good morning everyone, it is a bright and beautiful Sunday. I just rest you on my knees. Kind of work. Hi. Well, I'm worried this is gonna work. So yes, it's Sunday, and if you've seen a previous lockdown vlog, you know that Sunday is our day. We go grocery shopping. Sorry, I'm like, I should be used to this by now. We go at 9:30 when it opens. We blitz around the supermarket, get everything we need for the week, and then it's just the best start to the Sunday. So I've had, well, a lazy start, even though for a lot of people waking up at this time would not be lazy. I've been making myself my own like collage background for my Mac. So I went on Pinterest last night, saved like a ton of like aesthetic images, things that make me happy, and then I used befunky.com, put them all together, and I'm really happy with the result. Like, it really sparks joy. It just has everything that I love, like Frozen. Oh, also guys, I had like a real existential crisis this morning. I don't think Beauty and the Beast is my favourite Disney movie anymore, and it's weird to come to terms with because this has been my identity since I was like 3. Yeah, I'm not okay. This is too much information for a Sunday morning. Guess what you think my actual Disney favourite film is down below, and I'll be interested to see if anyone gets it right. I'm gonna go to the store, and then we've got some sweet plans for later. I'll fill you in as and when. Oh, one thing I wanted to do actually, to start kind of going off the whole like collage thing, I wanted to start my scrapbook because I ordered a ton of photos, but like only half have arrived, and I got this really cute scrapbook. I'll show you actually. Yep, we all know what a Disney box means. So yeah, I got this from the Disney Store UK. It's obviously like up themed, and like look how cute, even has like sellotape as if they've stuck it in by hand. Paradise Falls, and then it has space obviously to do all the writing. I basically want to do a scrapbook of like my first year living in London, so it's like obviously all my adventures, but you know, all plans are up in the air right now, so what can I complain? Trips have been cancelled. I was supposed to go to California next Saturday, so not having photos arrive is the least of my worries. But yeah, happy Sunday. This is what it's like to live with Alice. Just for waiting to go on our walk. She's just singing the whole soundtrack of Wicked on the toilet. Let's go on our walk. This is just your reminder that it's very okay to just sit and slob and watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians, because you don't have to be productive. That's the tea. That's Alice's take. Oh my god, I can't believe Alice is just eating a peanut butter roll in front of me. She knows.
Why would you judge me like that?
Alice knows that I hate peanut butter, and I just think it's really inconsiderate for her to sit there and eat it in front of me.
You know what? You go, you get your own roll. Go in your own, go back to London. No one wants you here.
I'd like to do that. Kendall is a really sweet and sensitive girl, and what impressed
So it's quite a bit later now. It is actually almost 3:30. Oh wow, we've got some ambience coming in here. Me and Alex are gonna try and make vegan cinnamon rolls. I really want them to be good, guys. It's like They will. Positive thinking. It's got a lot colder now this afternoon, so I'm in the mood for some like cozy treats. That's what we're aiming for. You gotta wash those hands first. Sing happy birthday while you do it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Who's next?
In our family?
Yeah.
Will.
Will, in July. Hope we're out of quarantine by then. Happy birthday to you. Oh, it's supposed to be twice, isn't it? Oh, I haven't got time for that. I add the flower to begin what I am hoping to start. Still coming? There's so much flour in this recipe.
Time for the recipe.
Wait, no, we're not done with the recipe yet. We're adding the flour. We'll still go with the flour. Mum's not going to be happy that we're using this much flour.
Basically use the whole bag.
And then it's down with the recipe.
And baked from the heart.
Gotta do the dreams come and they. If you don't listen to Waitress while you're baking, I don't really know what you're doing. So apparently we now need to add the milk until it becomes a shaggy dough. In it goes, ladies. Does that look shaggy? What defines shaggy? Now we leave her to rest because apparently she needs some downtime, don't we all? This is a cinnamon and brown sugar mix. Honestly, I don't think there's enough cinnamon in there, so chef's choice. I'm gonna add a bit more. Nobody wants a cinnamon roll that doesn't taste of cinnamon. Pretty good, bad idea, wasn't it? Oh, that's really bad foreboding. I'm about to fulfill a dream. Floured surface. There's the dough. Here we go.
Oh my god, that is so satisfying. Perfect. We take this baking seriously.
Bake Off, here I come. That's when things go wrong on Bake Off. And like, I'm just gonna wing it. Like, don't wing it.
Yeah.
You're presenting to Mary Berry. Like,
Yeah, exactly.
you shouldn't.
As
be
we are
winging it.
presenting to Mary Bear as well.
Well, Mum is our Mary Berry. I think everyone would agree. Here are our babies. Somehow, even with measuring, we ended up with 10 instead of 12, but that just means each one's gonna be bigger and more Gaston-like. Just get my Instagram. Be good, my babies.
Sending them out into the world. Make good choices.
Oh my god! Oh my god, they look so good. Okay, so we have our icing, which obviously we know is the best part. And they've cooled, and now it's time to drizzle them over the top. I'm actually so excited, I can't even, yeah, no. Oh my god. It just needs to be like all over. Is this putting too much pressure on you? Should I come back? I'm just gonna say,
Can we have one?
we absolutely smashed it. I don't know if we're supposed to wait for dinner.
No,
Because it's like 4:30.
We have one now.
Let's split one now.
Okay.
Which one are we gonna choose? I feel like, okay, that one looks amazing to me. I'm so proud of us. The middle piece is always best. I saw a tweet the other day and it was like, I said to my boyfriend, oh, do you want an edge piece or a centre piece for the brownie? He was like, they're the same. Do you want a middle piece for the brownie or a corner piece? And they said, there's no difference. And she was like, what kind of psycho am I dating? They're so different. Are you a
They're
brownie
so
piece?
different.
Are you a centre piece or a corner piece?
Corner piece.
I'm a centre piece.
That's good though. It means we can, like, you know, alternate. Ah, she's messy, she's
No, she's gorgeous. Official taste test time. Cheers, cheers. Oh my god, that's so good. So good. We did good. No, it's so good. So, I'm so proud. Make these. I'm gonna put the description in the put the link in the description down below. So good. Unbelievably good. So good. Now seems as good a time as any to finish this vlog because we just finished Smash. So like that's the end of our viewing experience, the end of the vlog. Gonna go make some quick dinner now. If you enjoyed this little weekend vlog in lockdown, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I don't know, I hope I can bring better vlogs to you guys soon, but who knows. Hope you're all staying safe, staying happy, staying chill and not being too hard on yourself.
Peace, love, and pie.
Peace, love, and pie. Stay inside. Bye.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky.